Came back today really to meet with our advisors, including Gerry McCann to really discuss what can still be done on the ongoing search for Madeleine. What we're really here to discuss is how we can work with the authorities to explore areas where other things can still be done that might make a difference. And
you sit there looking so cool while the whole show was passing you by. Then I come to terms with your fellow man's too, because oh, world is shaking now. I can feel it.
Are you going to meet with the Portuguese authorities
we
this time?
We haven't got anything specific planned at this point. This is very much my, the first visit over here, and just to look and to try and get a scoping of what we can still do, really.
Mm-hmm. Tell the truth.
Plan to take any legal actions against the Portuguese authorities or any Portuguese media, for instance?
I think we want to make it absolutely clear what's gone in the past is by and large done, and we very, very much want to focus on what can still be done for the search, and that's what our priority is, and it always has been, really. So any of these things are just they're not really relevant at the moment. The purpose of this visit was to really look at what can still be done.